inverse relation, or in other words the inverse of a relation. So, we are going to discuss about the inverse of relation under the advanced level. So, here when we consider a relation R of certain ordered pairs, then by interchanging the first and second coordinates of each and every ordered pair of that particular relation R will give us another relation, that is new relation from B into A. If R is a relation from A into B, then the inverse relation will be from B into A by interchanging the first and second coordinates of each and every ordered pair of that particular relation R. Then now such a new relation which is obtained will be called as the inverse relation of that particular R. And now here inverse relation if capital R, we are going to consider capital R a relation. So, here R is a relation from set A into another set, that is B, or in other words it is from A into B. So, here mathematically we can write it as, so here R is a relation from A into B. Then by interchanging the first and second coordinates say here if x comma y belongs to R, then we have to write it as y comma x by interchanging the coordinates as x in place of y and y in place of x. The first coordinate as the second coordinate and the second coordinate as the first coordinate. So, in this manner say here by interchanging the first and second coordinates of all the ordered pairs of given relation, that is R, then automatically we will get, so here we get a new relation. So, since we are changing the coordinates x as y and y as x, therefore, the relation, the new relation will be from B into A. So, here this new relation is called, so this relation which is obtained by interchanging the coordinates, this relation is called the inverse relation, that is the inverse relation of R. Then now in the next logical step, so here inverse relation of R is denoted by R inverse. So, here if we assume, so here let x comma y is an ordered pair which belongs to the relation R. So, here if and only if the inverse, that is by interchanging the x and y as y comma x. So, here in the place of x we have to write the y coordinate y. Then in the place of the second coordinate, that is y, we have to write the first coordinate, that is x. Then now y comma x, the ordered pair y comma x will belongs to the relation, that is the inverse relation, that is R inverse. So here we can add the condition by means of R inverse is given by means of set consisting all y comma x coordinates, all y comma x ordered pairs, such that every x comma y will belongs to the relation, that is R. So here this gives us the inverse relation. So here based upon this inverse relation, so here let us perform one illustration. So here example number 1 under this inverse relation. If A is the set consisting or containing first three natural numbers and the relation R is given by means of x comma y, such that x is less than or equal to y. So here it is a relation in A. Then we have to find out find the range and as well as domain of inverse relation, that is R inverse. So now the solution starts. So in our solution, as per problem, so here set A is given by means of first three natural numbers. So here set A elements are of first three natural numbers, but here mathematically we can write it as, so here A equals to, that implies A is equals to first three elements of the natural numbers are of 1, 2, 3, because 3 is the least natural number. So therefore 1, 2, 3 are the three elements of this set A. But here we have to write a relation R in such a manner that x comma y, such that x less than or equals to y is the relation in A. But R is a relation which is given by means of x comma y, such that x is less than or equals to y is a relation in A. So now in order to write the relation R is equals to, so the relation x comma y such that x less than or equals to y, it is the relation in A. So here to write out the relation R, so we have to find out the Cartesian product of A and as well as A. Then now it can be given by means of set A elements are of 1, 2, 3 as per the problem cross. Then now again the set A elements are of 1, 2, 3. So here in order to get the ordered pairs or the elements of this relation R, so here we have to find out the Cartesian product of A and as well as A. So 1, 1 will be the first ordered pair and 1, 2, 1, 3 will be the next two ordered pairs with 1. Then now with 2, 1, 2, 3 will be the next three ordered pairs, and 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3 will be the last three ordered pairs of this relation, that is R. So here that implies the relation R is given by means of with 1, 1 comma 1 is the first ordered pair, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3 is the next ordered pair with 3. So here 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, and the last ordered pair will be of 3 comma 3. So here there are of 9 elements or 9 ordered pairs, because the first set, that is A, consisting 3 elements, and the second set also consisting 3 elements. 3 3 is of 9. So therefore we got 9 ordered pairs, or in other words 9 elements of this relation, that is R. So here from this R we have to find out the inverse of this relation. So here we will get the inverse of this relation by interchanging the first and second coordinates. So here the first coordinate as per the first ordered pair is of 1, the second coordinate y is of also 1. So here by interchanging 1 comma 1, we will be getting again 1 comma 1 itself as the element of R inverse. Then now here x coordinate is of 1 and the y coordinate is of 2 in the second ordered pair. When we interchange, so instead 1 comma 2 we will be writing it as 2 comma 1 in the element as the R inverse. So here 1 comma 3 must be written as 3 comma 1, and similarly and so on. Then now in the next logical step, inverse of relation R is given by R inverse, but the relation R is given by means of one comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, and 3 comma 3. So here these are the 9 ordered pairs as per the relation which we got. So here R is equals to 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, and so on up to 3 comma 3. Then now here from this we are going to find out the inverse relation. So here R inverse will be given by means of, the ordered pairs will be of 1 comma 1 must be interchanged, x and y coordinates must be interchanged, 1 comma 1 as 1 comma 1 itself. Then now here the next ordered pair is of 1 comma 2, x coordinate is of 1 and y coordinate is of 2. When we interchange, we will be getting as a, so here 2 in the first place and 1 in the second place. So 2 will become the x coordinate and 1 will become the y coordinate. So here x coordinate and y coordinate, x coordinate is of 1 and y coordinate is of 3. Then now here x coordinate will be of 3 now, then now y coordinate will be of 1. So similarly we have to interchange all the coordinates of each and every ordered pair. So here 2 comma 1 has 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2 it remains same, 2 comma 2 itself, 2 comma 3 can be written as 3 comma 2, 3 comma 1 as 1 comma 3, then now 3 comma 2 as 2 comma 3, then now 3 comma 3 remains the same, that is 3 comma 3 itself. So these are the 9 ordered pairs, or in other words 9 elements of this inverse relation of R, that is R inverse. From this we have to find out the domain and as well as the range. So here domain of this relation, so that is domain of inverse relation is equals to, so this is the R inverse, the inverse relation, we have to find out the domain. So domain is nothing but the set consisting all the first coordinates of all the ordered pairs. The first coordinates are of 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and again 1 2 3. So therefore we can write it as only 1 2 3 without repeating the elements. Then now we have to write the range. Range of R inverse, that is the inverse relation of R. So here the range of a relation is given by means of the set consisting the elements of the second coordinates of the ordered pairs. So here the second coordinates are of 1 1, 1 2, 2, 2, 3 3 and 3. So here 1 is repeated thrice and 2 is repeated thrice and 3 is also repeated thrice, that mean, so here 1 comma 2, the second coordinate or the y coordinate, and the second coordinate here it is of 3, 3 is also repeated. So here we can write it as only 1 comma 2 comma 3. So here in this manner we got the domain of R inverse as 1 comma 2 comma 3, and similarly the range of R inverse as 1 comma 2 comma 3, whereas the inverse relation of this R is of 1 comma 1, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 3 2, 1 3, 2 3 and as well as 3 3.